Today I decided to do this golden brown glam look, kind of a get ready with me. So if you want to see how I got the look, just keep watching. I'm going to start off with my Dr. Brent Illuminator Primer and apply that to my entire face. Then I'm going to go ahead and move on to my Fenty Beauty foundation. Go ahead and put a couple of pumps on the back of my hand. I put that on my face and then I blend that out with my sponge. Then I'm going to take my concealer, put it under my eyes, forehead, chin, nose, and I'll blend that out with my sponge as well. After I set my under eye, I'm going to take this Wet n Wild contour stick and go ahead and contour my face. I'm going to take my Black Radiance and contour my nose. Next, my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in Dark Deep, and I will bronze my face. Time for some eye breezies. I'm going to take this BH Cosmetics Brow Pomade in Auburn and go ahead and shape up these brows. Then I'm going to take my Anastasia Beverly Hills Concealer and carve them out, clean them up a bit. I'm going to also use that concealer to go ahead and prime my eyes. Then I'm going to take this Morphe palette. I'm going to take this shade right here as a transition color and apply that to my crease. Then I'm going to take this Ochre shade and Gold Rush and also apply that to my crease. Next, I'll be taking my Melt Cosmetics Rust Stack. And I'm going to take this shade right here, pop that onto my crease, then I will apply it also to my lid. Then I'm going to take the rust color and pop that in my crease and into the inner corner of my eyes. And then I'll apply Rot also into my crease and blend that in. Time for the gold. I'm going to take this Anastasia Single Shadow in 10K and put this on my lid in the inner corner of my eye. Then I'm going to go back into that ochre color, blend it out in my crease, and then take it underneath on my lower lash line. Time for liner in Glad. This has to be my favorite thing ever. I'm going to go ahead and do a nice thin liner and wing it out a bit. Then I'm going to go back underneath on my lash line and take all of those colors from the Melt Cosmetics Rust Stack. Then I'm going to use this Tarteist Tarte paint for my mascara today and pop on some falsies. Next, I'm just going to darken my waterline. And then after being interrupted, I'll go ahead and finish my mascara. Next, time to glow. I'm going to take this Anastasia Glow palette, use this color Summer, and shine bright like a diamond. Then I'm going to take this Girlatic. I think it's in the color Posh. I'm not sure. It's just a new color. Go ahead and put it on my lips. And then I'm going to pop a little bit of glow on there, then add some gloss. And then after I set my face, that is the finished look. Just a quick video, just playing with some new products that I got. I hope you like it. And if you did, be sure to hit that like button, share, subscribe, check out my other videos, and I will see you next time, beauties. Bye.